Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful, all-original 1969 Roadrunner. Very special car here, very rare. It has a silver paint. Come on up, let's take a look at it. This is one-of-a-kind special Roadrunner. It's from Los Angeles, and it was parked in '76, has original 48,000 miles on it. It's an A4 silver car with black vinyl interior, blacked out hood treatment. It was ordered with premium bucket seats, floor console interior. This is one beautiful, numbers matching, front to back Roadrunner, guys. I'm going to drop the hood. We're looking at the 383 actually. Power steering, no power brakes, all original car. I'm going to drop the hood and we're going to take a walk around, check out how clean and sanitary the body is. All the original parts on this car have been either rechromed, repolished. It's got to be one of the most solid original Roadrunners I've had here at Vanguard. It is unbelievable, clean and straight. Don't forget, you can always call Tom with any questions at 248-974-9513. Don't miss out on this true rare beauty. Look how sanitary and clean this trunk is. It is unbelievable. Even the original sticker up on the trunk lid. You got the original spare setup. This car is just a true gem. If you're looking for a nice all-original Roadrunner, this would complete any collection. Looking down the side of this vehicle, it is super straight, as you can see by my photos and the video. The car originally came with 14-inch rims, now has some torque thrust on it, just to make it stand out. All the door lips are impeccable. It's just unbelievable. It was ordered with tinted glass, original black correct grain vinyl top. Just a true gem here, guys. Don't miss out on this one. As you can see, once again, the door lips are perfect. Interior in this car is all original, gorgeous. Don't forget, this car has sat since 1976. And then restored. And let me tell you, they did a phenomenal job. I don't think they had to do much to it, though. classic Mopar muscle car. Here it is, the 69 Roadrunner A4 Rare Silver, all original, numbers matching, unbelievable car here. Power steering, manual brakes, but I gotta tell you, the drum brakes stop it perfect, and just a true gem to drive. Don't forget, you can always call Tom with any questions at 248-974-9513, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. This car sat from 1976 till now. It's totally restored. Didn't take much of a restoration because it's so solid and original. Don't forget to sign up at Vanguard Motor Sales. Follow us on our social network at YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can see rare cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you plan on buying a muscle car, download the 7 Deadliest Mistakes to Purchasing a Classic Car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. Wow, this is just awesome. Holds the road straight, no pulling. Turnkey car, guys. Turnkey. It'll complete any Mopar collection. I know there's very few of these out there in silver. So do yourself a favor, don't miss out. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Thanks again for joining us today, and don't forget, Vanguard Motor Sales is dedicated to putting your